Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 19th February 2026, Nifty index opened positive, and after a slight slip in the initial hour, it regained strength and after taking support near 25,650 marks. Sentiment improved throughout the session and the index crossed 25,800 to close near its higher band with gains of around 90 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow indicating smart buying at the lower levels and his forming higher highs from the last three sessions. India VIX was down by 3.5% to 12.2 levels. Nifty put call ratio increased to 1.22. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,400 to 26,200 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,600 to 26,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 1,125 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 361 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 22.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,800 for the next up move towards 26,200 marks, while support can be seen at 25,550 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 61,500 for the next up move towards a new lifetime high territory of 62,000 and above, while on the downside, support can be seen at 61,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Cummins, Marico, Torrent Power, Motherson, Axis Bank, SBI, Tata Steel and Godrej Properties, while some weakness could be seen in Wipro, Muthoot Finance, KPIT, Naukri and TechM. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.